It's the best thing ever. I can't stop, it's way too much fun. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are talking about the Easoger electric spin scrubber. So basically, this got sent to us and we're doing all our cleaning videos and things like that, and this should help a lot with those who have bad knees, bad backs, just don't want to get down on your hands and knees and clean. You want a more effective cleaning method. This electric spin scrubber should do it. So the nice thing about it is it has the capability of adding like a 26-inch reach to you. So if you have really high showers, or basically if you want to clean a floor, or it goes all the way up to 41 inches as well. So let me show you what you actually get with it. So in the box itself, you get 4 different scrubbing options. So it gives you some different capabilities. If you're doing something big and flat, you can use more of a flat scrubber. If you're doing something that has, getting near those drains or things like that, you kind of need to get into a little bit more of the grooves. It has more of a rounded scrubber. Corners along the edges, my nemesis. You try to get in there with a little scrubber or something like that. This will get into those corner edges and things like that for your showers and for your tubs. And then if you just have something a little bit smaller, right? You want to get in this, and each of these has got a combination. They're not really rough bristles, but they're a scrubber, right? So I would look at what surface you're cleaning before you clean it. Make sure that you do a little test space, something like that. You don't want to scratch anything. These should not scratch anything, but it really depends on how soft the material is that you're actually cleaning. So it comes with that. Then it also comes with 2 different extension arms. So that's the first one. This is the second one, and these are really easy. They just kind of snap together, so you can see the reach on it. And then of course the main scrubbing unit, which is going to have your motor in it and that sort of thing. And you can see again, you're just going to connect blue belly all the way down, and that's your full extended reach of it. Which you can see if you're trying to get to, these are probably 12-foot ceilings in here. You can see that you could really get a great reach on it. I'm not a super tall guy. About 5'11", and for me, that's a pretty good reach. The other thing that makes it really kind of nice is if you're cleaning walls in your shower, it has the capability of basically going to like multiple different angles, right? So you can go through a full 180, and then you can go to basically a 98 degree angle to it as well. So that's really kind of nice. The other thing it comes with is, because it's an electric charger it comes with, and actually has the capability, you just plug it in here and you can recharge it. So it has this as well as a little hook. So if you want to put that in a closet somewhere where it's near a plug, you can actually 3M it to the wall and then hang it so it's charging, so it's out of your way. So it has that capability as well. So that's really kind of a nice function and feature to it. It has 2 speeds. A lower one and a higher one. And so you can see it, basically it's a simple button, and you can hear the difference. So one hit of the button gives you the low speed, second hit gives you the high speed, third one shuts it off. So it has that as well, and then of course, like I said, you can then take this all apart if you'd like to, push the button, pull it off. If you want to use it by, just a smaller, you want to do something really quick with it, you can do that, and that sort of thing. But you're going to need at least one of your wands of this, so you don't need the big middle one if you don't want to. You can just go down to a smaller one, and there you go. And you can have a much smaller, more manageable if you don't want something heavy or heavier. It really is pretty light. And keep in mind the motor, the mechanism is going to be in the top part of this. Right, so it is really pretty light, and it gives you the capability that if you want to use it on floors, you can. Like it says in here that it's a shower scrubber, but really at the end of the day, this is a cleaning scrubber. It doesn't specify that you have to use it in the shower for sure. They call it a shower cleaner, so you can get the high tiles and that sort of thing of your shower. But at the end of the day, you could clean a floor with this, right? So if you look again, I'm about 5'10", 5'11", right? These different scrubbers just snap on, and you could literally clean a floor from a standing position if you wanted to, right? Which is really kind of nice, because you might want to clean your shower floor, right? And if you don't want to bend down, your bad back, your bad knees, you know, frankly, you just want to make your life easier. This is a great option for it. This is basically $50 on Amazon. I think it's $45.99 right now. I think it goes up to $55 if you don't get on a deal. I'll put a link in the description below so you can check that out and that sort of thing. A lot of great reviews of this as well. It's easy to charge, easy to clean. We try to keep away from actually using harsh chemicals. So we use a lot of vinegars, baking sodas, things like that with it. But people say they've used it with 409, shower scrubber, cleaner, different things. It really depends on what your family prefers. But it has a lot of different options to it. And then it's nice because you can clean it in a bucket of clean water. So it does have a waterproof level to it. Obviously, you're not going to want to submerge this. But when you're cleaning, if you're scrubbing a floor, scrubbing a shower, you can put the scrubber piece of it into a bucket of water and leave it on, and it'll clean it really quickly because it's basically spinning to get a lot of the dirt and grime and things like that out of your bristles. So that's a nice function and feature of this as well. So what we did is we sprayed vinegar on our shower like we normally use vinegar. So we sprayed that, and I put really what would be used to clean the corner of your showers onto the scrubber. And so that's really it. And again, like I said, I have both wands in here, so it's a full extension, which is, they say is 41 inches. And basically, I'll turn it on high, and you can clean from standing up, which is really kind of a nice thing. I guess if you're super tall, you probably wouldn't be able to, but you can see how nice it gets into the corners of the shower. And like I said, the nice thing really about this is we have really tall showers, right? So it's not going to get super dirty up there, but you want to get as much clean as you can, right? So it's really easy for you just to kind of get a lot more height on your cleaning. You know, if you want to get those tiles nice and clean and that sort of thing. Like, these are probably 12-foot ceilings in this house, but you can see how easy it is just to kind of like go and clean without having to get a ladder in here or anything like that. And it's doing a lot more cleaning, right? So this is next time. There, we're on a fast speed now, and you'll see how nice and clean they are. So I know some of you are going to say, your shower's not even that dirty. Well, that's because we clean it all the time. So at the end of the day, if you want to see something that's completely destroyed and cleaned, we're probably not it. We don't let things get that out of hand, right? We want to make sure that everything's kind of clean and fresh and things like that, especially during cold and flu season and other things like that. You want to clean a lot more. Make sure everything's kind of nice and shined and that sort of thing. Okay guys, so that's it. We really love the Easoger Scrub Cleaner. I'll tell you, we use it on our showers, we use it on our floors. We basically use it everywhere we don't want to really bend over and clean something, or we want to get a really deep clean because it has all the bristles and things for it, so it's really doing all the work for you. So we love it, and if you're looking for an easy way to help clean and do your work, take a look at the Easoger. We'll put a link in the description below, and we'll see you next time.